there's a few, the line just go into my face, right? Now what I'm going to do is use an eraser. To use an eraser, the shortcut is what? Use a pen. That's why you use a pen here. Double tap on the pen. Okay. It will go to the eraser. And you have to set that up first, initially, with your pencil. Okay. Double tap again to go back to the brush. Double tap again. Okay. To go to your eraser. Okay. Now I'm in my eraser. And you have to select a brush that you can erase something. Okay. For me, I use the hot brush here, but you can change to any brush you want. Okay. I will erase it. Oops, too much. Double tap, 2-finger tap on the canvas to undo. It's gone. Okay. Very easy to achieve. Okay. Done. How simple is that? Okay. Double tap again to go to the brush. Double tap. Okay.